You deserve the honor and the glory as I lift my hands toward heaven and I magnify your name. You are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There's no one else like you. You deserve the glory and the honor as I lift my hands toward heaven and I magnify your name. You are great. We serve a great and mighty God. He's an awesome God. He deserves all the glory, all the praise, all the honor. There's none like him, none beside him. I hope you're enjoying your day. I love you guys.